How to do a test order on Shopify. I am going to show you how you can easily do a test order on Shopify. The first thing you want to do is to open shopify.com in your web browser. Next, you need to click on Settings at the bottom left corner of the Shopify dashboard. Here you have to click on Payments from the left bar menu. In the Payment Provider section, you have to click on Choose a Provider. Now in the third-party payment provider search bar, you have to search testing. For testing, you have a bogus gateway option. It is meant for testing. Then in the bogus gateway, click on activate. In this way, bogus gateway has been activated. Now click on the cross button and go back to Shopify's dashboard. Now you need to start testing your website or product. To use card numbers, here are different card numbers available for testing to simulate successful transactions. Here are different card types like Visa and their test credit number. There are other card types like MasterCard, American Express, Discover, Diners Club, and JCB with their numbers. When you ask for credit card details, for checkout and the name of the card, you have to enter at least 2 words. In the expiry date section, enter any date shortly. Enter 3 digits in the security code and use any of the following numbers in the card number section. Now for testing, open your website and select any featured product. That is how you can complete your transaction by entering those card details. In this way, you can do a test order on Shopify. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.